Hey everyone, I'm Tan, a wedding photographer and videographer based in New York City. Today, I'm going to share some advice for those of you who are passionate about photography or just getting started. If you're looking to become a photographer in 2025, this video is for you. The first thing I want to mention is, if you are on a tight budget, don't worry, you can start with your phone. Nowadays, smartphones are capable of taking really impressive photos, which is a great way to get familiar with basic photography concepts like lighting, composition, and angles. If you have a small budget, like less than $1,500, I recommend looking into a Fujifilm camera. It's a great option for beginners because it's user-friendly and provides excellent image quality. If your budget is between $1,500 and $3,000, consider the Canon R6 Mark II or Nikon Z6 Mark III. These are fantastic cameras that offer professional level features, and if you have over $3,000, you may want to consider the Canon R3 or Sony A1, the first generation. Remember, you do not need the most expensive and latest camera at the start. What you need is a camera to practice with, get comfortable, and learn how to use it. Once you have got your first camera, the next step is to get familiar with its setting and features. Don't worry, it feels complicated at first. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Next, you can explore online resources to learn about basic concepts like composition, shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. I recommend focus on understanding the exposure triangle, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Now, it's time to practice. Practice is the key to become a great photographer. The more you practice, the better you will get. Don't worry if your photos aren't perfect at first. Don't spend too much time watching videos about camera gear. Those can distract you from actually learning basics. You don't need a professional model to practice. Start with the people around you, like your family, friends, or your boyfriend, your girlfriend. As long as you're using the camera properly and paying attention to lighting and timing, you can take some great shots. Join photography groups in your local area or find friends who share the same interests. This will not only help you stay consistent with practicing, but also help you learn faster. Everyone has a different experience and perspective, so it's valuable to learn from others. When you are starting out, use a small and lightweight lens. This will make you want to take more photos. If you're using a heavy camera, it might discourage you from shooting as often. You want to be comfortable and enjoy the process. Do not hesitate to share your photo on social media. This not only helps you get feedback from the community, but also help you improve quickly. You will receive comments and suggestions that can help you identify areas to improve your photography. After you have taken some great shots, you will need editing software to enhance them. Editing can make a huge difference, adding depth, making your photo more visibly appealing. I personally use Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop for my photo edits, and I will include the links to these tools in the description below. And that's it for today's tips on how to get started as a photographer. Remember, to be successful in photography, you need three things: skill set, mindset, and vision. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will answer them in the future videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.
640, 800, 1000, 1250, 1600, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6400, 8000, 10,000, 1280, 16,000, 20,000, 25,000, 32,000, 40,000, 50,000, 64,000, 80,000, 100,000, 120,000, 160,000, 200,000, 250,000, 300,000, 400,000.